come from the dream time, from the dusty red soil plains. I am the ancient heart, the keeper of the flame. I stood upon the rocky shores and watched the tall ships come. For 40,000 years I've been the first Australian.
I came upon a prison ship, bound down by iron chains. I cleared the land into the lash and waited for the rains. I'm a settler, I'm a farmer's wife on a dry and barren road. A convict and a free man, I became Australian. I'm the daughter of a digger who saw the mother love. The girl became a woman on a long and dusty road. I'm a child of the depression. I saw the good times come. I'm a bushy, I'm a battler. I am Australian. We are one, but we are many. And from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia.
I'm a teller of stories, I'm a singer of songs. I am Melbourne Namatjira, and I paint the ghostly gums. I'm Clancy on his horse, I'm Nick Kelly on the run, the one who waltzed Matilda. I am Australian.
Having of the desert, on the black soil of the plains, on the mountains and the valleys, the droughts and flooding rains. I am the rock, I am the sky, the rivers where they run, the spirit of this great land. I am Australian. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. I am, you are.
We are Australia.